this video guide, we will give you instructions on getting rid of fake survey alerts that are associated with the website Tripleprofit-zone.life. This is a deceptive alert that may target the majority of popular browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari. And the real purpose of these pop-ups is not to make you happier or richer, but rather to force you into providing some of your personal details. The pop-up indicates that you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance to spin the wheel and to win some exceptional prize. However, after spinning that wheel, you'll be eventually told to provide some of your private information. For instance, your name, your email address, your telephone number, and other data. This information that you might mistakenly provide may be granted illegally to third parties. And for instance, if you specify your email, you may be soon getting a lot of spam to your email account and experience other problems. In the light of this information, I strongly urge you from interacting with all these pop-ups and these fake surveys. The only correct conclusion is to leave this page and to disregard its content. I would also strongly advise checking your available Mac applications and delete any suspicious items that are not familiar to you. Finally, I recommend you to scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start scanning your system with this tool to make sure that there are no any other hidden threats on your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan, the program gives you the full report about the security situation with your Mac computer. So, in the antivirus section, you will see the total number of threats found. You may click on Review Results, so this will show you the exact names of threats and where exactly these threats are located. How to get rid of these threats manually? You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on each specific thread and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threads. However, some threads can only be removed with Combo Cleaner Premium version. So consider purchasing this premium version to get your Mac fully cleaned and protected.